Good morning, guys. So today we're going to be doing a quick little brake change on a 2018 brake. Make sure get a good angle for you guys on the C road. A little Harbor Freight coming in clutch. Ooh, I don't want it to slide over. Put the e-brakes on real quick. It's got about 122,000 at 19 miles. It's clean. I believe it's size 19. Just to the side. I'll be leaving tomorrow. I believe that's a 13. Let's see. Oh, it's a 14. Press the brakes first. Where's the old reliable at? There it is. What you want to do is you want to find it where it's got some space. Customer states that the rotors are warped. When he was going down, he went to a trip in Tennessee. I think I'm tightening them. I'm such a moron. Left this one back on. These bad boys out. Like so. These are still pretty good, to be honest. The customer said that they weren't holding. Okay, we have 21. I don't know if they'll get back there, to be honest. Mating surface looks good. Wish I would have took my wire brush with me. Hello? What happens is there's like a layer of oil that they put on here so it doesn't rust in shipment or when they hold it in stock. So to actually let the brakes do their job, do their thing, you're gonna want to clean off the braking surface. Alright, beautiful looking rotor, and they have no retaining screw or retaining screw, so you can just slide it on there. You could go ahead and put on a nut if you wanted to, but I'm just hitting the rotor, either damaging it or scratching it. You want to make sure you have them on the outside. This is not the right one. Neither is this one. One of these got to be right. There we go. I'm sweating way too much. This is 22 right here, or 21. Good. Oh, it's the caliper that's in my way. I was like, why is it up? Good catch. Hope you guys can see this. that in. That's like got asbestos, I'm pretty sure. There we go. It's fighting. So I don't have to respray that. Everything looks good. Okay. These are pretty good. Yeah, you decompress it early, get it out of the way, just slide it in. Slide the 14 over. This was a 13 to be honest. There you go. You want to make sure you have both the bolts on, or yeah, both of the bolts on, because if you don't and you just tighten one up, what ends up happening is you, what is it called? You tighten it, and then the whole caliper just flies up, depending on which bolt you put on first. Looks good. So we'll move that. Okay, so right side is done. Looks good. These look pretty good, but it's like metal rubbing on metal. That's what they told me it felt like. Don't want to lose these. These over here. So, I wonder what type of brand they are. Because there's like a lip on them too. It really looks like metal on metal. Wow. There's like grooves all over them. They didn't wear it down properly. Here. Yeah. How you doing? Started first, the lug nuts, because what I see a lot of people do is they just put it on, if they have an impact or an air gun, they just put the nuts on the air gun, they just tighten it from there, and what ends up happening is you strip the whole stud, or the nut. That's usually the stud. You gotta take off everything all over again, beat out the stud, and that's if you don't what is it called? Have to remove the bearing. Crisscross pattern. Oops. Oh. I almost did what I said not to do. So the did that a little too fast. I just wanted to thank you guys a lot for watching the video. This is basically just the right side done, and it's pretty much the same exact thing for the left side. Yeah, thank you so much. There's gonna be a lot more videos to come. If you do have any questions or you want a specific car done, please don't be afraid to write it in the comments, and I'll try to get to it. Thank you so much, guys, and have a great day.